I don't even want to begin to estimate how many quesadillas I have made through the years. Let's just say I love quesadillas. And I knew when I opened the Merc that they had to be on the menu. At the Merc, there are 3 quesadillas on the menu. They are always favorites of our guests.
I think they're creamy and delicious and cheesy. Quesadillas, you can't go wrong with a quesadilla.
The roasted vegetable one I'm going to share with you is beautiful, and it's always a hit.
They're one of our best sellers actually because of all that yummy Monterey cheese and the fresh vegetables we roast daily and all the butter.
It really is delicious. Roasted veggie quesadilla has a beautiful green spinach tortilla. So I have a very buttery skillet, and I'm just putting the tortilla on the hot skillet. And I'll sprinkle cheese all over the surface so it can start to melt. This is Monterey Jack. I just want to get it evenly distributed over the tortilla. Quesadillas are all about the cheese after all. But the roasted veggie quesadilla is all about the roasted veggies. So I spread different kinds of veggies on a sheet pan, and I broiled them under the broiler and got little black bits on the veggies, which is where the flavor comes in. So I have really thinly sliced green bell pepper, some thinly sliced zucchini. I'm sort of favoring one side of the quesadilla so I can easily fold it over. Some thinly sliced poblano peppers and red bell pepper. This has so much beautiful color and flavor inside. And then yellow bell pepper. Now I have some caramelized onions that I cooked in the skillet. Now we usually roast corn at the Merc for the roasted veggie quesadillas, but I'm just using pre-roasted frozen corn, which is a great option if you're making this at home. So while the quesadilla cooks, I'm gonna make a cilantro lime cream sauce that is out of this world. It's so easy. It's just a cup of sour cream, a tablespoon of chopped cilantro, the zest and juice of a lime, all mixed together. That cilantro cream sauce is incredible. It is so fresh and cool. All right, the quesadilla has been cooking away. It still has a little time, but I'm gonna take the side that has the cheese visible and just flip it over. There is so much butter on that tortilla. And then I'll kind of flatten it a little bit. And I still want this to get a little more golden and crisp on each side. So I'll just cook it on both sides until that happens, and then we're gonna dig in. This quesadilla is looking perfect. So I'll carefully move it over to the cutting board. And I'll get a plate. You want to grill the quesadilla right before you serve it so the cheese stays really soft and amazing. So I'm just cutting it into 4 equal wedges. Oh my goodness. And if the cheese sort of oozes out when you cut it, then you know you made the quesadilla right. Oh my heavenly goodness. Honestly, this is exactly what the quesadilla looks like at the Merc. You can see all those beautiful veggies peeking out and that gooey, amazing cheese. So I'll just take a little dollop of the cilantro cream. Then I have 2 different kinds of salsa, just regular jarred red salsa. And then I have pico de gallo. Ah, my BFF.